Hello from Lilly's Cupcakery. Today I would like to show you something I got to enjoy on every single birthday I celebrated, and that is a mole cake, which is in German ein Maulwurfkuchen. Now, why do we call a cake mole cake, Maulwurfkuchen? Because it looks like a molehill in the end. So it's a chocolate cake with cream and banana and chocolate chunks in there. For the cake you need half a cup of butter, 2-3 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1-3 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 eggs. You'll always find the measurements of the ingredients and the pan down in my description in grams and in cups. Now for the filling you need 3 bananas. Now you get to choose if you want ripe bananas, not so ripe bananas, green bananas, brown bananas, everyone's bananas. Totally up to you. Then you need 2 cups of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of cream stiffener, and 1-3 cups of chocolate flakes. Don't use chocolate chips, they're gonna be too heavy in the cream. With your pan, you're going to find the measurements of the pan down below. Use parchment paper on the bottom and grease and flour it so it doesn't stick to the sides. Let's get started with the cake. First of all, we're going to take everything, throw it into the bowl, into the oven, that's it. Yeah, so easy peasy, it's just everything goes in there and then you put it in your pan and you bake it. That's it. Bake it at 340 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. While our cake is in the oven, we can start with the cream filling already. You just have to whip the cream, add the cream stiffener, and then your chocolate flakes. But add the chocolate flakes with your spatula or with a spoon. Don't do it with a whisk. Here's the chocolate cake. Let it cool completely as always, and take your cream, cover it, put it into the fridge until your cake has cooled, and then I will explain to you what to do with the bananas. Now what we do with the cake is you take a tablespoon and you want to scrape the inside out and put it into a separate bowl, because that's going to form the crumbs that go onto the molehill cake. Now what you want to do is you want to leave like ½ an inch around the cake, and you want to leave ½ an inch of the bottom. If that explanation is too complicated, just watch me do it and do it the exact same way. Start by peeling the bananas. I do it the way monkeys taught us to. Because you are supposed to open bananas from this side. That's at least what our brothers and sisters in the jungle do. Now you have your 3 bananas. Cut them in halves first. And now cut those halves in halves again. Like this. You take your bananas and you put them into the hole of the mole cake that you formed. You layer it just like that. I already put the cake onto the platter that I'm going to use, so you don't have to transfer the entire cake after it's done to wherever you want to serve it on. So we now have the chocolate cake with the bananas inside. And now you take the cream with the chocolate flakes and you make like a hill. Okay, now that we've done that, just take the spoon that you've been using and go in there again into the crumbs so that you don't have too big chunks. The spoon can go because we're gonna use our hands. I don't think it's bad if there's some going to the sides of the plate because it's a molehill. Animals do what they want. I've done the dishes and here is our beautiful mole cake. I really hope you like this video and that you like this cake and that you're gonna bake it at home. If so, then I want you to take a picture of it, post it onto my Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag lillyscupcakery. Now, if you would like me to bake one of your German favorite cakes, or a cake that you would like to learn, or a cake you saw somewhere where you say, I want to see how Lily bakes this cake, go ahead and comment down here or text me on Facebook or on Instagram. I'd be happy to bake what you tell me to. Now, don't forget to subscribe, share, and tell your friends I'm there. I see you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.